Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll solve exercise 8.3 of chapter Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10th. In my previous video, I told you some trigonometric formulas. I'll give you the link for that video in the description. These were some formulas in that video. Sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. These are the changing formulas. As sin is changing to cos and tan is changing to cot, sec is changing to cosec. These are changing formulas in which one trigonometric ratio is changing to another trigonometric ratio. I'll use these formulas to solve exercise 8.3. Let's start with first question of exercise 8.3. First question is evaluate sin 18 upon cos 72. Write down the question. Here is the question. Now, this sin 18 upon cos 72. Now, this 18 can be written as 90 minus 72, as 90 minus 72 is 18. This 90 minus 72 is equal to 18. So, in place of 18, we can write 90 minus 72 upon cos 72. Now, sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Now, sin 90 minus 72 will be equal to cos 72 upon cos 72. This cos 72 will be cancelled out and the answer will be 1. Next question is tan 26 upon cot 64. Write down the second part. Again, this 26 can be written as 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 is equal to 26. So, in place of 26, I am writing 90 minus 64. Now, again, tan 90 minus a will be cot a. Angle will be this 64. Cot 64 upon cot 64. Again, it will be cancelled out and the answer will be 1. Third part. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Write down this part. Okay. Now, this cos 48. In place of 48, we can write 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 is equal to 48. So, in place of 48, I am writing 90 minus 42. Okay. Now, cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. Angle will be this 42. Sin 42 minus sin 42. It will be cancelled out and the answer will be 0. Now, fourth part. Fourth part is cosec 31 minus sec 59. Write down this part. Again, this 31 will be written as 90 minus 59 minus sec 59. And cosec 90 minus a will be sec a. Angle here is 59. Sec 59 minus sec 59. And these two values will be cancelled out and the answer will be 0. Let's take second question. Show that first part is tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is equal to 1. We have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Write down this question. Now, taking left hand side, this is the left hand side. Now write this 48 will be written as 90 minus 42. 48 will be written as 90 minus 42 and this 23 will be written as 90 minus 63. 10, 90 minus, this 23 will be written as 90 minus 67. These two will remain same, tan 42 and tan 47 degree. Okay. Now, this will be replaced by tan 90 minus a will be equal to cot a, that is cot 42. And this tan 90 minus 67 will be equal to cot 67 degree. And it is tan 42 degree. And tan 47. It is 67. Tan 67 degree. Now, as we know that cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Now cot 42 will be written as 1 upon tan 42. Similarly, this cot 67 will be written as 1 upon tan 67 degree. And these two will remain same, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. This will be cancelled out. Tan 42 will be cancelled out to tan 42 and tan 67 will be cancelled out to tan 67. And the answer will be 1. And it is equal to right hand side. Is equal to right hand side and hence proved. Let's take the second part. Second part is cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 32 sin 52 will be equal to 0. Write down this question. Taking left hand side, that is cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52. Again this cos 38 will be replaced by cos 90 minus 52. As 90 minus 52 is equal to cos 38, it will be now cos 52 will be replaced by sin cos 90 minus, okay, cos 38 will be cos 38 will be cos 90 minus 52 and this will remain same, cos 52 minus sin 38 will be changed to sin 90 minus 52 and it will be sin 52. Okay, now it will become sin 52 cos 90 minus a is equal to sin 52. It is cos 52 and it will be sin 90 minus a will be cos a and it is sin 52 degree. As these values are same, it will be cancelled out and the answer will be 0. It is equal to right hand side and hence proved. Let's take question number 3. Question number 3. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Write down this question. It is given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. As we know, tan a is equal to cot 90 minus a in this formulas. So tan a will be written as cot 90 minus 2a. Here it will be cot a minus 18. Okay. Now this cot will be cancelled out to this cot and the equation will be as 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Take this 2a to this side and 18 to this side. It will become as 90 plus 18 and a plus 2a. It will be 3a and it will be 108. Now take this 3 to the denominator and it will be angle A will be 36 degree. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, if tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, write down. Here is the question. Given is tan A is equal to cot B and we have to prove A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Start the proof. Take tan A is equal to cot B. As we know that cot B is equal to tan 90 minus B according to the formulas. Now the equation will become as A is equal to 90 minus B. Take this B to this side. A plus B will be equal to 90 degree and hence proved. Take the fifth question. Question number 5. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Write down this question. Here is the question. Again, sec 4a will be written as cosec 90 minus a, that is cosec 90 minus 4a. It is cosec a minus 20. Now, the equation will become as 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. Take the like terms to one side and it will become as 4a will go this side and 20 will come here. 90 plus 20 is equal to a plus 4a. It is 110 and it is 5a. Angle A will be 110 upon 5. It will be, angle A is equal to 22 degree. Okay, let's take another question. Question number 6. If ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. Write down this question. Here is the question. We have to prove sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A plus 2. ABC are the interior angles of a triangle ABC. Now, as we know that the angle sum property is the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree due to angle sum property. Here it is, angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now find the value of B plus C from this equation. B plus C, angle B plus C will be equal to 180 minus A. Now take left hand side from this. Left hand side is sine B plus C upon 2. Now this B plus C will be written as 180 minus A upon 2. Now it will become as 180 upon 2 minus A upon 2. Take this 2 to the denominator of 180 and A. It will be 90. The equation will become as 90 minus A upon 2. Okay. And we know that sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Angle will be this, A upon 2. Cos A upon 2, and it is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Question number 7. Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Let's do this. Question number 7. Sine 67 plus cos 75. We have to write these angles between 0 and 45. Okay. Now, okay, this 67 will be written as 90 minus 23. As 90 minus 23 is 67, so we can write 90 minus 23 in place of 67. And 75 will be written as 90 minus 15. Okay. And we know sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Angle here is 23 degree. And cos 90 minus A will be sine. Wait. Yes, it will be written as sine 15 degree. Answer. These are the questions of exercise 8.3. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and all the best.